Before watching the video, please do not forget to subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and ring the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And let's dive right into today's video. Did you know that the primary chemical responsible for the hot and chili peppers is capsaicin? Capsaicin is an insect and mite repellent that also works as an animal deterrent. Use caution when using this method, which is most frequently used to prevent goats from eating plants. Hot peppers can burn and hurt, especially in the eyes. As anyone who has ever messed up while eating wings is well aware. When preparing or administering this solution, always wear gloves and a mask. Also, avoid applying on windy days. You don't want a pepper spray cloud to blow back in your face. Here are some do-it-yourself natural insecticide recipes for making hot pepper spray. 1 gallon of water should be mixed with 2 tablespoons of paprika, cayenne pepper, or red pepper flakes. To aid in the binding of the pepper solution, add 6 drops of mild dish soap. Pour the substance in a spray bottle for home use. Be sure to clearly label the bottle. Saturate the plant completely on both sides of the leaves. When it's hot outside, avoid applying. The best time is after sunset. Apply again every 3 to 4 days and after heavy rainfall. And don't forget to test first. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.